Hey everyone, Wanda Keenan here, owner of Paramount Settlement Services and your host for today's Title Minute. Today we're going to talk about what we mean when we as a closing agent ask you how you wish to take title. When you're purchasing a property, part of the real estate transaction is for the seller or the current owner of the property to transfer all of their right, title, and interest to you as the buyer in the form of a deed. Generally a warranty deed, could be quitclaim, could be fiduciary, depends on who owns the property and if they had control of it. That's a different topic. One of the things on the deed that must be there is the establishment of the relationship between you and any other record owners, and effectively what you want done with your interest should, God forbid, you pass away. In New Hampshire, there's two standard ways that you can take title: joint tenants with rights of survivorship and tenants in common. So let's talk about these. Joint tenants with rights of survivorship states basically that any interest I hold in the property, I want to go automatically to any other record owners by the filing of a death certificate at the Registry of Deeds. Tenants in common means I may have folks who I wish to get my interest in the property, maybe my children. So I'm going to state in my will how my interest is going to be dispersed, and my interest needs to go through the probate court and be administrated in that fashion. So the reason that this is important is because if you don't establish tenancy, if there's nothing stated on your deed, the state of New Hampshire automatically recognizes that as tenants in common, and then there's a probate that's necessary in order to sell the property. I know it's not always a pleasant thing to talk about, but it's important to talk about your estate planning with an attorney at any time. There can be trusts, there can be LLCs, things established, but it's super important and something that we have to ask you. We're more than happy to talk you through the process, explain it to you again, ask any questions, because it's a really important thing to establish. You can always re-record a deed and change your tenancy if you wish, but there's an expense to that, and we want to try to save you that. As always, we at Paramount Settlement are here as your resource for all things residential real estate. Thanks for stopping in, and we'll see you real soon.